What's up guys, Jake here coming at you with another fishing video. This one's pretty special to me. I was actually there last week with my dad. I didn't catch anything last week. I was just more kind of observing and learning and failing, but my dad caught a few things, so I'm gonna actually play one of his catches right now.
Might be the same as the first one.
There it is. Oh, that's bigger than the first one, I think.
That's nice, yeah.
You might want to take that to the beach.
To the what?
To the shore.
To the shore. Yeah, I'm bringing it in this time. Nah, I think it's a little smaller actually.
Yeah, that's definitely bigger than the first one.
You think so?
Almost looks like a flathead. But it's not.
Nice, whatever it is.
That's gotta be
Where's the pliers?
right here.
Yeah. Right on the lips there. Ah, the whole throat, dude. You believe that?
Really?
Look, let me show.
All right, but yeah, this spot is pretty special. Like I said, my dad had fished here when he was younger. My grandfather would take him here and fish, and after my first video, my grandfather watched it, so he really enjoyed it. So I'm sure that he'll enjoy seeing a spot that he fished. Obviously, he's a little older now, so he can't, you know, maneuver and fish out in the river like he used to. But hopefully this brings him back and he enjoys it. So this one's for you, Pop, all right? All right, let's play the footage. Yo, Brandon, I'm on one. Yeah, that's a fish. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Yo, Brandon. Hope I'm recording. Brandon! This thing is fighting pretty good too. Yes, sir. Let's go. I wanted to show my friend, but I don't know where he's at. Not the biggest one, but we'll take it. He was fighting really good. All right, give me 1 second, dude. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. I didn't get the release on that guy because my GoPro died. My batteries are over there. So, but yeah, that was my first ever channel catfish. Pretty happy. My dad showed me this spot last week. Oh, my man's is on one. Yeah, let's go. Yo, I put my man's on a fish. Let's go. Nice, dude. Good shit. Let's go. Yo, back to back, dude. Yeah, what is this? Drake song? Yeah, let's go. Oh, yo, that looks like it's nice. Oh, shoot. Damn, dude, that's like...
Was it a blue?
Nah, that's a channel. Dude, that's like, gotta be like... Dude, that's probably at least like a good 6 pounds.
I'm trying to get the picture.
You want to pick?
My first cat.
My first caddy.
What's the best way to hold you?
I don't know. We got the gloves right here, dude. Damn. It broke off?
No, it didn't broke off. I mean, I lifted him up and the hook came out of his mouth. But I mean,
Oh, all right. Yeah.
easy. I didn't have to get the pliers out.
Yeah. Dude.
Let's go. Who knew, man? We had to come down to this spot. A little bit further down.
I told you. All right. Like I said, going back to the catfish setup. Trying to get a couple fish here before it gets too hot. It's going to be like 90 degrees today. So that's not good. Because obviously if you fish, you know that fishing is not very great when it's really hot out because the fish get very lethargic, they get slow, they don't really like to move as much. So, but we're gonna see. What was I? Oh shit. I'm on a fish, but I'm also wrapped around my freaking rod. Yo, I'm on one. Oh, it's a smallmouth. Yeah, that was crazy. I was like wrapped around my line. Yeah, this is a decent smallmouth. Damn, this guy feels pretty thick. Relax, I'm gonna unhook you. Jeez. There's a smallie. Let's get him back. Let's watch him for a second. There he goes. All right, cool. That was chaotic. My line was wrapped around my rod. I could feel the fish biting, and it was a little chaotic, but we got it. We got the job done, and we've released him safely, and he's healthy. So, really, all that matters. Yeah, that minnow's all messed up. I'll cast it out till it falls off or something. I'm on something. I'm on a fish, I think. A little smallie. Good, he got rid of our crap minnow. Damn, he's fighting like a champ though. Come on. It might be like, yeah, that was sick. Very small guy. Let me see if I can get him off. There we go, got him unhooked, little guy. We're gonna get him back there. He's bleeding a little bit. He's good. Yo, it happened again! Oh, yo, no way! Yo, I swear to God, yo, that was insane! That was insane, dude! Oh my God, that's a nice smallmouth too. That was insane. I had the minnow out of the water. That was sick. Yo, this guy wanted it. Hold up, we're gonna, yo, that was sick. That was sick. All right, relax. We're gonna get you out of there. He freaking choked that hook. Oh, it came right out. Nice. Let's take a quick look at this guy. That's pretty nice. Oh, in the water you could see he was beautiful. All right, time to let him go. Nice bass. Fish number 3. See ya. All right, sun's coming out, so we're on limited time right now. But I've been hitting smallies pretty good, pretty consistently. I've probably gotten like 3 in the last half hour or so. But we're gonna keep trying for some caddies. And honestly, whatever bites, I'll take any fish. I just love the fight, really. Plus with this current, it's real fun. I think I'm on a fish. Nope. Yo, again, dude, another smallie. Let me see. Oh, yo, that was sick. Another, yo, bro, it jumped. I literally just threw the fucking minnow back into the water. That was sick. I didn't even cast it. I just threw it in the water. There we go, I got him. Another little top water. He's bleeding, so I'm gonna let him go. There he goes. Nice. I'm on a fish. Oh shit. What the hell is that? What is this? Oh, I freaking fail hooked something, dude. I feel like a jerk. What the hell just happened? Something must have swiped for it and got foul hooked. Or maybe I just casted literally right on top of something. I foul hooked a smallie. Yeah, can you give me a hand real fast? What do you think? You went for it and it just like got him, or maybe I just like went right over him? Yeah, on the fin too. There we go. Here, no, look at me. Oh, yeah, that was sick though. Not sick for the fish, but I'm gonna try one more cast with this. All right, so we just had the interesting experience with the jerk bait. I guess I foul hooked the fish, or he swiped at it and got it on the side. I'm not really sure, but we're gonna go back to what was working earlier because I feel kind of bad about it. So we're gonna try this out, see if we can get a couple more bass for another channel. Hopefully Brandon got a really nice channel, so I'm hoping that I can get one like that, or you know, like maybe a 3-pound smallie or something. Oh, I'm on something. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I think I'm on another catfish. Or a good smallie. Oh, no, it came off. Are you kidding me? Fuck. That was a good fish. Damn. Yep, I'm on another one. There it is. There he is. Please don't come off this time. That's a nice fish. Better than the last one, I think. Better than the first one I caught. Yo, we're on again. Oh, it's peeling. Just let it peel. Wow. Oh, no way! It broke me off! You're joking me, dude. What was that? Oh, you're joking me. All right, we're rigged up again. That was a huge fish. I don't know what it was. Maybe not huge, but I've got 10-pound test, a medium rod, and a 3,000 size reel. So that had to be a decent size, you know. Maybe I did something wrong there. I'm not sure. Just not used to huge fish like that. I just set my drag a little bit looser, but we'll see. Yep, we're on again. Oh, another big one. I'm on again. Gonna play this one a little bit better. That current is like the worst. It's the best but the worst at the same time. Sheesh! I don't think it's huge. The other one was definitely bigger, but it's in the current, so it feels like a big fish. Oh, it's running now. Oh shoot. Gonna let it peel some drag. Yep, it's running. Tighten her back up a little bit. Come on, let me get this one in. I deserve it. I don't want to fight it too hard while it's in the current there. It feels like it's about to start running again. Please don't break off. Definitely stretching the line. That's all right. I don't think it's as big as the other one. Oh, don't get wrapped up in the tree. Nice. That's actually bigger than the first one. You think so? Nah, yours was a lot bigger than this. Let's go. I'll take that all day. That's a good spot. Let it kind of come off. Hopefully get like in and around there. Try to get maybe one more caddy if I can. Oh. Yep, I'm on another one. This one doesn't feel huge. But the current could be deceiving. Please don't break off. I like it when they flop the top with their tail. Like, I want to see that. That would be really cool. Come on, get out of the current. This fish isn't huge, whatever it is. Actually, it might. I don't know, it's really hard to tell. Come on, rip some drag if you want. Trying to get them out of the current. All right, I got you here. Just let me win already. That's a pretty looking fish. Come on. I'll help you out if you come over here. That's a nice looking one. I'll help you. There you go. Let's go. All right, one more. All right, so we got that guy. We just unhooked him, let him go. He was really good looking channel cat though, not gonna lie. You know, I'm not really sure of poundage with channel cats. I mean, I'm sure everybody's gonna say, oh, you know, he was 8 pounds even though he's probably like 5, but you know, so. But we're gonna get back out there. You know, it's getting pretty hot out, so I think I'll try for one more, and then once I get one more, probably get going. But I've had a blast so far. I mean, 3 channel cat, probably like 3 or 4 bass. Like, you can't really beat it, especially, you know, it's Saturday. Yep, we're on another one. I'm on another one. I don't think this one is as big, but maybe just not pulling. There it is, he's pulling now. It's a little smaller. Let's go. I'm telling you, bro, get that line wet. He's just a little guy. I'll take it though. Fish is a fish. All right, guys, I definitely had a blast. If you liked the video, if you liked what you saw, please subscribe, comment, let me know what you thought. You know, I'm pretty new, so if there's any pointers that you'd like to give out or anything like that, just let me know. But we're just out here having fun, having a good time, so I'll see you in the next video. All right, see ya.